Okay, what we're looking at today is we're looking at the Native American unit. The kids will have a packet that they're going to fill out and they're going to go through. They have a few QR codes they're going to scan, and they're going to see a lot of different stops from the Nez Perce to the Battle of Little Bighorn. They're going to read about the Transcontinental Railroad, the Sioux. They're going to read about Custer, and they're also going to read a lot about the buffalo and a lot about Wounded Knee. I'm sorry, I'm shuffling around right now. So the kids are going to have a number of different stations they're going to go to throughout their scavenger hunt. And then they're going to see stuff about the land rush, South Dakota, Oklahoma. And they're going to finish their gallery walk doing one of the following assignments for a homework grade, writing a letter. Now I'm going to kind of walk you through the whole lesson right now. First step, they're going to see a number of quotes on the wall. They're going to have to choose some quotes and write about them. Act, looking at reservation life and a ration ticket from the Museum of American History, reading the Treaty of Fort Laramie, 1868. The kids look at the Transcontinental Railroad and also the Pacific Telegraph Act. Slaughtering of the buffalo, looking at Sitting Bull and Red Cloud, the Sioux, the importance of the American buffalo, Tatanka. Sitting Bull. Look at the Dawes Act. A little bit about the Nez Perce. We're going to take a look at some of the geography of where the railroads went, where some of the battles were, and where the Lakota, where a lot of the tribes lived. Land Rush, to Wovoka and the Prophet, and Wounded Knee. And when they leave the room, we've got a timeline of the West. A couple important dates circled. The kids are going to choose one. And they're going to have to locate a certain tribe on the map. And then understand Native American history and culture today. Why do we glorify Custer, and should we? And then we're going to finish looking at some tweets. And they're not all up here, but I'm going to have everyone's tweets posted. But the question: if the students had to learn one thing about Native American culture or history, what would they be? And we're going to look at people's tweets. I got over 50 of them I'm going to share with you.